Good morning, dear students. Hope you people are very fit and fine. This is your maths period. So now let's begin our today's class. Today, through this video, we are going to learn a new topic, that is Roman numerals. Okay, so in this video, we will learn what are Roman numerals and what are the rules to write Roman numerals. So let's see. Basically, Roman numerals are ancient Rome. There are 7 basic symbols to write the Roman numerals. Now let's see. Let's have a look. What are those? Here I have written I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, so these are the 7 basic symbols to write the Roman numerals. Okay. So now let's see what are the corresponding Hindu-Arabic values for the Roman numerals. Here you can see I have already written the Hindu-Arabic and Roman numerals. So the value of I is 1. Okay. I is Roman numeral and 1 is Hindu Arabic numeral, and B means 5, value of X is 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and M means 1000. Okay, so there are some rules to write Roman numerals. Let's see. What are the rules? Rules for writing Roman numerals. So the rule number 1 is, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added. Okay. Let's understand it with the help of examples. Okay. So here I have written I. So means what? I means 1. I means 1. Here you can see I means 1. So we have to add. Okay, that's why here I am adding these two symbols. I means 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And when the numerals is repeated, that means we have to add that number here. Next example is XX. Okay, X means 10. Okay, plus X again 10, so that is 20. Okay, now next rule number 2 is, a symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Here you can see in the example, here I have written XXX. X is repeated 3 times. Okay, this is correct. And in the second example, you can see I have written I 4 times. I. This is wrong, because रूल इज अ सिंबल कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड मोर देन 3 टाइम्स. कोई भी सिंबल है वो 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट राइट 4 टाइम्स, वी कैन राइट ओनली 3 टाइम्स. ओके, one more thing students, always remember that only some symbols can be repeated. Let's see what are those. Okay, as you can see here I have written a note, only I, X, C, M. These are the symbols that can be repeated, and the symbols V, L, D, these are the symbols that never repeated. Okay, so we cannot repeat these symbols, we can repeat only I, X, C, M. Okay, now let's move to the next rule. Rule number 3. Rule number 3 is, if a smaller numeral is right of greater numeral, its value gets added to the greater numeral. For example, XI. Here you can see I is smaller and X is greater, because the value of X is 10 and the value of I is 1. So X is greater than I. Okay, so when a smaller numeral is right side to the greater numeral, then we have to add. Okay, so XI means 10, value of X is 10 plus the value of I is 1. 10 plus 1, that is 11. Okay, next example is BI. Means B means 5 and I means 1. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Okay students. Now next rule is rule number 4. If smaller numeral is left side to the greater numeral, subtract the smaller from greater numeral. Okay, here the example is ix. Here I is a smaller numeral and x is the greater numeral and I is left side to the x. So in this case we have to, what we have to do? We have to do subtract a smaller numeral from the bigger numeral. So x means 10 and I means 1. So we will subtract 1 from 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay. Next IV. So the value of B is 5 and I means 1. So we will subtract 1 from 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay. Now let's see rule number 5. When a smaller numeral is written in between two greater numerals, it is always subtracted from the greater numeral just after it. Okay, for example XIX. You can see here I have written XIX means the smaller numeral is in between two bigger numerals. Now in this case what we have to do? We have to subtract this smaller numeral from the greater numeral. Okay. Okay, in this case बेटा जब कोई भी स्मॉलर न्यूमरल टू बिगर न्यूमरल्स के बीच में होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. जो राइट साइड ग्रेटर न्यूमरल होता है उसमें से उस स्मॉलर न्यूमरल को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं. सो हियर आई हैव रिटन XIX. X मीन्स 10 plus. Now we will subtract a smaller numeral from the bigger numeral. So the value of x is 10 and minus I means 1. Okay. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 is equal to 19. Next example is XIV. Okay, here x means 10 and here we have to subtract this smaller numeral from this bigger numeral. Means the value of x is 10 plus we will subtract 1 from 5. Okay. So 10 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 and 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Okay students. Now let's move to the next and the last rule of Roman numerals. Okay. So rule number 6 is numerals VLD never subtracted and repeated. Okay. जो BLD जो numerals होते हैं वो कभी भी subtract नहीं होते हैं. Okay. So these are three symbols that we cannot subtract and repeat from any other numeral. Some subtraction rule are, rule number first is I can be subtracted from BX, means we cannot subtract I from L, C, D and M. Okay. I can be subtracted from BX only. Next is x can be subtracted from LC. So we cannot subtract x from LC. Sorry, we can subtract x from LC. Okay. And next rule is C can be subtracted from DM. Okay. C किस में से subtract हो सकती है? केवल D and M से. Okay, so children, these are some rules that we have to follow while writing Roman numerals. Hope you all have understood this concept. Thank you and have a good day.